Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. It's Quantum Weather Fashion Doll, and I'm here to unbox and open a fashion doll. We're not just talking about fashion, but today we will be opening Miss Dana, a Bratz reproduction. And I have had Miss Dana for a while. She's from the same series when they put out the Campfire Felicia. I've had her for a while. I just have not opened her because I wanted to wear something in the video that matched her. And I had this already, but I wanted to get something pink fur. But, you know, I said today, I'm not going to stop waiting, and I'm just wear something I have. And we're also going to unbox the chair that she goes with. But I might split the videos up because I feel like this is going to be long. But we'll see. If I'm saying at the beginning, if you see a separate video for the chair, that's why, because it ended up being real long. But I wanted to do something. I grew up in the 90s and the 2000s. I love a matching set. I love denim. I love faux fur. So I was like, oh, I already had my rhinestone denim two-piece, and I just put on a little pink hoodie under it. And I said, we're giving our Nofties fashion fantasy, honey. We're cute, stunning. Before we open Miss Dana, when I got her, and I'm going to put a video on the side, this look reminds me of stuff Raven Simone would wear, specifically in That's So Raven. And I found actually like two looks that look very similar to this. That's what she is giving me, even her hair. Very cute. Yes. This is another one that I almost don't want to open, but I want to have her sitting in the chairs like a display. I think it'll be really cute. It's part of my collection. Let's read the back before we open Miss Dana. Hi, my name is Dana. My friends call me Sugar Shoes because when I step out, I do it sweet. Yes, honey. And the other people in her series is Dana, Tiana, Fiona, Felicia, and Kobe. I was going to say Dylan, but I think Dylan is another one of the boys. But let's get her out the box. Here is the poster. I think this is the same poster I got with Campfire Felicia. I still have not put up any of these posters. I'm gonna get a frame and at least put up one in my closet or something. Okay. Oh, and I didn't mention it in my other video, but you might have noticed some changes. I colored my hair. And I also got, I never had my right ear pierced. I only had the left because I wanted to be 90s and be different. But recently I was like, you know what? I can, what's the word? Just be like everyone else. And I decided to get this ear pierced. So we're still not symmetrical, but I do have this side pierced too. Because sometimes you want something on both sides. And I wanted it for my new job, but I don't think I'm going to stay at my new job. But I have a seasonal job, which is starting on Monday. So the doll is fine. I will get something else, but the girl tried to play me. And as my sister Beyonce said, the only one that could play me is the radio. Okay? Period. Okay. Miss Dana is out of the box, but we have to detach her from the back packaging. But she looks cute. Here are Miss Dana's sunglasses. They're cute. They kind of remind me of the glasses that Kylie, the Kylie doll comes with. I like Miss Dana's heels. I guess that makes sense that she's sugar shoes. She has cute shoes. Here are her pair of like platform mules, which are cute. Dana comes with the old brush, like Felicia had, not the Mugler brush. We got the Mugler brush with Miss Kylie, but this is fine. To be expected. Okay. Let's cut the rest of the little clothes out. And if you are new to my channel, I try to take time unboxing because I don't want to cut the doll's hair or their clothes. And I sew, so I actually use some of my little sewing scissors, which this might be ruining the scissors, but that's fine. I'll get some new ones. And I don't sew that often anyway. I need to get back into it. I actually was going to buy some pink fur trim. I was going to put trim on something denim and kind of like customize the outfit for this video. But life just been life. And I didn't get a chance. And I'll do more stuff like that when I have more viewers. But I am getting more viewers. I think YouTube has finally put me in the algorithm. But here is her little top. It's like a one shoulder, or one sleeve off the shoulder top. That's what we're gonna say. But yes, I'm definitely, YouTube has put me in the algorithm. I really appreciate it because I could tell I'm getting much more views. And it's stunning. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. I am one away from 100 subscribers. So when you watch this video, please subscribe to me. You could be the 100th person. Soon as I get to 100 subscribers, I'm gonna release a new hoodie that's a part of merch. And I'm gonna have a form for y'all to fill out so I can give a hoodie away. That's the plan. And I have the form already. My boyfriend made it for me, but I have to, I forgot where, I have to ask him to send it to me again because I don't know how to get back to it. But it is created because he made it for me. Okay, we almost got Miss Dana out. And I think I am going to skip these videos just because I feel like this is going to be a real long video if I don't. And I'm listening, I'm looking at my analytics. I'm seeing what the people do. And some of the girls don't watch the full video any damn way. So I make one real long. I need to wash this hair. Oh, this hair's so crunchy. They have her little tendrils tied to her sleeves. That's extra. This is also, I guess outside of Kylie, this is my first regular Bratz doll that's white. All of the other Bratz dolls that I have are black or Kiana is, I believe, Native American. But we are inclusive over here. I just have a rule. I have a rule as an artist. I have a rule with art in my home. I want black people on my wall because as an artist, I grew up mostly seeing art depicting white people and art by white artists. So I just like to see black faces on my wall. So when I started collecting dolls, I thought it would make more sense to have, dolls that look like me. But if I have black art, black dolls are art to me as well. But here is Miss Dana out of the box looking stunning. She has on her denim set, get into her heels. I like the other heel better. Her hair is so crunchy. I definitely would be washing this. Like it's glue in it and it feels a mess. But she is very cute. Get into her face. Very cute. I like the glitter on her lips. I think she has glitter eyeshadow as well. Let's get into the earrings. The earrings are very cute. She is just screaming that's so Raven to me. But she is cute. I love this jacket. So it's a jacket, but it's like a little gold camisole under there as well. And you can mix and match her fashions. That's what I love. And I love this fur trim, and it feels soft. I just don't want it to like be shedder. I might not change her top because I'm keeping her in this jacket. But we could change the skirt and the shoes. Let's do that. And let's put on her sunglasses. But I've noticed with some of the doll clothes, like Kiana's top had glitter on it. Then when you take it off, the glitter falling off. And I don't know, I don't want to mess up the fur on Miss Dana's jacket. Because she is definitely one of my dolls that are going to be on display. All my Bratz dolls are on display, actually. The girls are cute and they made the cut. But here she is with her sunglasses on. They're a little crooked for me. I can't get them to sit perfectly on her face. I don't know why. Yeah, because they still look crooked. But they're cute. It's fine. And she has the same articulation, just at the elbow, the hip, and I think her knees should pop. Yes. The knees pop. So you can bend her at the knee. This denim feels good too. The denims look like they're a little different of a color, which I'm okay with. Like it's not an actual set. And the stitching is different too. So I don't think it's supposed to be like she has on a matching set. It's like she just put it together. Which that's fine. Let's put on the skirt. I don't know why I have Melissa Gorga's song on display from Jersey stuck in my head. Maybe Dana is giving me a Jersey girl, I don't know. But that is stuck in my head. On display, each and every day. Yes. You're welcome. I'm gonna come out with an EP one day, y'all. Once I become a bigger YouTuber, I'm gonna release an EP. Oh, I think I almost might like it better with the skirt. Oh, I love it with the skirt. Hold on, y'all. I love her original outfit with the jeans on, but with the skirt, y'all know I'm a mini skirt, short kind of girl. I like my legs out. So this is right up my alley. Yes. Now she is giving cut, tick. We love it with the skirt. I'm sorry, the skirt win. I love the jeans, but I think the skirt win. And she got a little gold top under it. I think it's a tank top. Yes, it's a tank top. I'm sorry if y'all want to see her without the jacket, but I don't want to take the jacket off. But we need to do something with this hair. I'm gonna wash this to get the glue out. No, ma'am. But yeah, she looks really cute. And I like the other pairs of shoes. She gets a stunning from me. I'm just gonna use her other pieces on other girls because I'm fine with this look. I don't want to put her in the black top. Just being honest. This is giving me my Clueless fantasy. This is giving me my nanny, friend fine fantasy. I love it. And I can't wait to put her in the chair. But I'm gonna pause this. We're gonna stop this video here. So it's not too lengthy. And we will be back with part 2 when we unbox the swinging funky fashion chair or whatever she is called. And Dana gonna be chilling and we get to see her on display, honey. on display. Oh, that's why that's something stuck in my head, because I said I wanted Dana to be on display. That's why. Each and every day, every day, every day. But please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you so soon. Like, ooh, it's going to be so soon you won't even notice. But please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And watch another doll video. Or watch a fashion review. Whichever. But ta-ta.